Hello, everybody. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. We use this grammar to explain that something belongs to someone or something, or who the owner of something is. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin then. This is my computer. Remember, everybody, that when we use a possessive adjective, we always use it with a noun. Your mobile phone is on the table. I really like her new sunglasses. Her is feminine. This is our dog. His name is Skipper. His is masculine. Your parents are on holiday. We never use adjectives in plural form as we do in Spanish. Only the noun is plural in English. Okay, let's practice now with the possessive pronouns. This pen is mine. These red pens are mine. Joseph and Andrew are friends of yours. The green book is his. This house is ours. The football is yours. The chocolate brownie is theirs. Okay, everybody, well done. You have finished the video lesson with the possessive pronouns and the possessive adjectives. You already know that it is really important that you watch this video many times and that you do the related exercises and practice with the grammar explanation page. Good luck and happy studying.